So it all starts with the definition of pH. Okay, pH is defined as a measure of ocean acidity, the hydrogen ion concentration that we call H+, and it can be calculated with a formula. pH is minus the logarithm, okay, to the base of 10 of the H+ concentration. Okay, and then it's shown here on the scale, the pH, and you can have a 0, and it's the minimum value here in this scale. 14 is the maximum value. It's all a logarithmic scale. Okay, that's what we use. So now the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, the IPCC, defines ocean acidification as a decrease in the pH of seawater due to the uptake of anthropogenic carbon dioxide. Well, that's not a complete part of the story, because pH is actually only the indicator. This is how you can measure changes in the carbonate system. Okay, we talk more about that on the following slides, but there is a clear link to humans in this statement. So the anthropogenic is human-induced CO2 emissions. Okay, humans are to blame for ocean acidification. This is how the IPCC defines. Other definitions or additional definitions include statements that relate to carbonate minerals. Okay, like it's the addition of carbon dioxide in seawater that causes a reduction in ocean pH and shifts in carbonate speciation. Okay, or in more detail, the oceanic uptake of CO2 driving the carbonate system to lower pH and lower saturation states of the carbonate minerals, calcite, aragonite, and high magnesium calcite, the materials used to form supporting skeleton structures in many major groups of marine organisms. And we come back to that aspect, or that is the most important ecological consequence of ocean acidification. We come back to that part later on. Okay. All right. Okay. So now you know how ocean acidification is defined. It's caused by humans. Number one. It's measurable due to a reduction in pH. Okay. A decrease in the pH. And number three, it results in lower saturation states of key carbonate minerals. Okay, so there are three aspects to this definition. And that's important stuff.